I'm Bill Graham, the president of the Road Builders and Heavy Construction Heritage Society of Canada. These rigs behind us here are sitting over the original borehole of Leduc number 1. And 65 years ago this year, they brought in this very important well that changed the face of Alberta's economy.
This event that's going on here today is probably the biggest show in Western Canada of old antique road construction equipment.
The whole objective is to showcase construction and heavy industry for what it is. It's an important part of our economy. It creates a lot of employment. It builds all the infrastructure we all enjoy so much today. So it goes from the very beginning of road maintenance with the little 4-horse grader up to this large Rego giant grader.
They've moved in so much old equipment that people never saw before. Not the young generation. They haven't seen nothing like this.
The big polar bear ditcher.
1916 Sawyer Massey 6-inch by 20-inch portable jaw crusher.
1900 Warner Swayze excavators here.
The 1936 Massey Harris.
The Northwest backhoe.
This Cleat-Rock 100 tractor down here.
1911 Holt crawler tractor.
It's that big Rego giant's incredible.
So there's some really unique technology on this site that I think anybody that's interested in our industry would love to come and see. We feed our volunteer crews in this old 1920s road camp, complete with wood stove and metal dishes and tin cups, and just the way it was in the early days. So we try and recreate things as best we can.
This is a world-class event as far as I'm concerned. For anybody into the old iron hobby, this is as good as it gets.
The favorite part of the show is just going to be able to see all the old equipment that's, 40, 50, 60, 70 years old out there, moving around, moving dirt.
It's still interesting to come and see a whole bunch of stuff like this working, and it creates a lot of interest for people, and even young people, To me, you always have to remember the past to move forward. This kind of stuff just refreshes your memory on how we got to where we are today.
We all know there's motorcycle clubs, car clubs, agricultural machine clubs, but construction equipment collection and restoration is a little bit newer thing. So we think it's going to catch on. It has for us anyways, and we hope to do more and more and more of these shows as we develop the site.